Hey, let me show you how you can use game mode on your Nothing phone. So first of all, before you start, you will have to go into settings. You will have to scroll all the way down when you are on the search settings list. Go to the system, go to the game mode, and start by applying apps into the list of the game mode. So now click here and enable application that will boot the game mode automatically. So take a look. Now, when I'm going to open the calculator, for example, it's located right here. The game mode will pops right now, and I can just tap on it or bring this from the left bar, and I can turn on the performance mode right now. I can quickly block all of the calls by selecting refuse all. I can also turn off all notifications. I can also block the brightness lock. I can also enable the screen recording, and by tapping on the settings icon, I can also get this sidebar. So I can turn it on and off. There's also this notification display. So how it looks, take a look. It depends all of your preferences. Right here you can also turn on the mistouch prevention, and there's also incoming call intelligent anti-disconnection. In this place you can also find the game dashboard, so you can get game dashboard floating icon, and that's basically how it looks. So that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching.